Ounce. Ounce.
$5.
Be a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy.
Chocolate red ribbon.
I am a child so young, so thin, and so right.
Red ribbon.
Why are you staring at me? Why are you always whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes, 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the vast happiness Mother and I shared with each other. We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door. Mother ran to Father's side pleading, "Please, Louise, hurry in the cellar and take it and find him." I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. It seemed as though his feet were glued to the floor. The door went back, and before us, 5 ugly beasts came barging. "Are you Captain Louis Sanders?" roared the ugliest of them all. "Yes," said my father. "You are under arrest," said one of the beasts. They pulled Father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. Then suddenly, we heard a voice call, "Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar!" We ran towards the direction of the voice.
Oh, may gold yung barya niya.
But it was too late. We saw Father hanging on a tree. Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. And I cried, "Vengeance! Vengeance! Vengeance!" Everything went black. I was nursing my poor, invalid mother. One day, the church bell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. It was time for us to find a shelter in our hideout. But I could leave my poor, invalid mother. Suddenly, bombs started falling. Airplanes are roaring overhead. Boom! Boom! Mother was hit! Mother was hit! Yeah! Mother was hit. Mother! 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 Mother was hit! Her legs were shattered into pieces. I took her gently in my arms and I cried. I love vengeance! Vengeance! Now, Oscar, vengeance. God's, said Mother. But I ran of vengeance! I'll make it break down volcano! Vengeance is mine, not the Lord's! No, Oscar. Vengeance is not ours. It's God's. It's with a word from my mother before she died. Mother was dead! Out! 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 Spare me a piece of bread! Spare me your mercy! I am a child so young, so thin and so round. Vengeance is not ours. It's God's. It's God's. He